Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by preparing tools and understanding your network layout. Scan your local network using the 192, 168, 0/24 address range. Install a network scanner app like Angry IP or Fing on your laptop or phone. Be sure you have admin permission to scan the network before proceeding. Know common camera ports such as 80, 554, 8000 and 8080 before scanning. Also have default credential lists and browser access ready for testing found devices. Run the scanner and collect active IP addresses with open ports. Filter scanner results for devices responding on ports 80 or 554. Use the MAC address vendor lookup to spot camera manufacturers like Hikvision or Axis. Note IPs that host web interfaces or RTSP services on port 554. Access the device web page to confirm camera firmware or login prompt. Record each candidate IP and its open ports in a spreadsheet for organized testing later. Attempt to access each candidate IP using a browser or a dedicated client. Try default credentials cautiously, changing passwords immediately after login. If a web login fails, test RTSP or ONVIF using port 554 and common usernames. After successful access, immediately change default passwords to strong, unique phrases. Apply firmware updates and consider changing HTTP ports to reduce casual discovery. Finally, document the camera IP, model, firmware, and admin credentials in a secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.